This pressure washer is so powerful it can strip years of dirt in minutes. But is the Simpson PowerShot PS60843 actually worth your money? Let's find out. The Simpson PowerShot PS60843 is built for serious cleaning. It delivers an impressive 4,400 PSI and 4.0 gallons per minute, making it ideal for cleaning driveways, decks, fences, heavy equipment, paint prep, and even graffiti removal. Powering this beast is a CRX 420 engine with low-oil shutdown protection, paired with a AAA triplex plunger pump featuring a thermal relief valve for long-lasting performance. It also comes with a 50-foot monster hose, 5 quick-connect spray nozzles, 13-inch pneumatic tires, and a heavy-duty welded steel frame designed for professional use. Warranty coverage is another strong point. 3 years on the engine, 5 years on the pump, and an incredible 10 years on the frame. So, what do real buyers think? Most owners praise its incredible cleaning power, fast setup, and durable construction. While a small number report pump or customer service issues, the overwhelming majority recommend it and rate it highly. So, is it a scam? Absolutely not. It's a legitimate commercial-grade pressure washer backed by major retailers and thousands of verified customer reviews. Bottom line, if you need maximum cleaning power and don't mind using a gas-powered machine, the Simpson PowerShot PS60843 is built to handle demanding jobs with ease. Follow for more honest reviews that save you time and your money.